Replacing or installing a new door in your Melville home might seem straightforward, but even small mistakes during installation can lead to costly repairs, energy inefficiency, and security risks. Whether you're adding curb appeal with a stylish front entry or upgrading interior doors for better flow, avoiding common pitfalls is essential for long-lasting results. Here are the top mistakes homeowners in Melville should watch out for, and how to ensure a flawless door installation. Choosing the wrong door size. One of the most frequent errors is selecting a door that doesn't fit the frame properly. Even being off by half an inch can create gaps that allow drafts, pests, and moisture to enter. Some homeowners assume that all standard doors are the same size, but Melville homes vary widely in design, especially older properties where frames may have shifted over time. Always measure both the width and height of the opening multiple times and confirm the dimensions with a professional before making your purchase. Ignoring local climate conditions. Melville's coastal climate can be tough on doors, with humidity, rain, and occasional salt air exposure. Installing the wrong material, such as untreated wood, may cause swelling, warping, or rot. Steel and fiberglass doors often perform better in this environment, offering durability with minimal maintenance. If you prefer the warmth of wood, ensure it is properly sealed and treated for moisture resistance. Poor frame preparation. Many homeowners focus only on the door itself, but forget that the frame is just as important. A warped, cracked, or unlevel frame will cause even the best quality door to hang incorrectly. This leads to sticking, uneven gaps, or difficulty locking. Before installation, inspect the frame thoroughly, replace damaged sections, and ensure everything is square and level. Skipping this step is a recipe for frustration and wasted money. Incorrect hinge placement. Hinges may seem minor, but they play a crucial role in how smoothly your door operates. Misaligned hinges cause sagging, scraping, or uneven wear. Homeowners often rush through hinge installation without double-checking alignment. The key is to mark hinge placement carefully, use the correct screws, and test the door swing multiple times during installation. Proper hinge installation ensures your door opens and closes effortlessly for years. Neglecting insulation and weather stripping. Doors do more than provide access, they also protect against energy loss. Without proper insulation and weather stripping, your Melville home can suffer from drafts, higher utility bills, and reduced comfort. Many homeowners forget to install or replace weather stripping around the frame during installation. A tight seal not only keeps out the elements but also enhances security and noise reduction. Using the wrong tools or materials. DIY installations often go wrong because of inadequate tools or cheap hardware. For instance, using the wrong type of screws can strip hinges or fail to support the door's weight. Skipping high-quality caulk or sealant may leave gaps for moisture. Investing in the right tools and materials, or hiring an experienced installer, can prevent these headaches. Overlooking security features. Your front door is your home's first line of defense. Some homeowners focus on aesthetics and forget about security. Failing to install a strong deadbolt, reinforced strike plate, or quality lock set leaves your home vulnerable. When upgrading or installing a new door in Melville, balance style with safety to protect your family and property. Rushing the installation process. Door installation requires patience and precision. Rushing often leads to uneven hanging, missed steps, or sloppy finishing. Taking the time to measure twice, test adjustments, and finish with proper sealing ensures a professional-grade result. If you're unsure, hiring a local expert can save time and reduce costly mistakes. Final thoughts. A new door can dramatically improve your Melville home's appearance, comfort, and security, but only if installed correctly. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll enjoy a door that not only looks great but also stands up to daily use in the local climate. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or bringing in a professional, planning carefully and paying attention to detail will ensure your door installation is a success.